We're talking about market structure. First, I'll talk about the basics. What I do now is I do restricted market structure. So first, general market structure. I'll give you an example. Let's say price. See here, this one broke, but of course, nothing is 100%. But as long as it's over, hey, as long as it's over 50%, right? But these trade, they're about, I would say, the regular one is about maybe 60, 70%, 60%. I say 60%, right? I don't really like that. I like it to be high. So I did restrict it for those so that it only stays to those that are 90% and above. It's got to be like really good. Okay. So NZDCHF falls in that category, and I'm going to show you guys the list of that. I should change this one. But example, like I like made a stick, right? And sometimes the stick changes in size. Like I have different sizes, depends. I just study the market, just watch reversals. Just basically what the stick does is it allows you. It's kind of a prediction on when it reverses, like when it makes like a reversal. You know what I mean? At what point, like, does it typically reverse? Now, for this one, it's a 101.9 that says down there on the right. 101 down here, 101.9 is the length of this stick for NZDCHF. Okay, so this way you can try it. Make your own stick and try it out. This one, I got in on Sunday this week, so it's about around the Sunday, Monday, like around here somewhere, because I saw that like I didn't get in right when it did this. I just didn't. And then I saw it come back in a little, and I said, "Oh yeah, 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 time to get in, right?" And you see it did this crazy, and then boom, right? Just straight down in 1 hour. This thing must have been a news or something that I missed. It said a coal buys out $8. Oh, 5 days ago. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, big pipster. Yeah, yeah. We've talked a little bit back and forth. Big pipster. What's up, man? Um, yeah, cool guy. All right. Um, what was I saying? Oh, so yeah, this came back in, and I just grabbed this nice. I'm gonna go ahead and just put it in for a riskless trade. Um, and that just really nice, right? All right. So basically, what this is what you're gonna be doing if you make your own stick, okay, and just place it. Put a letter I in the middle so you know where the middle is. Do the little text. Put the I there because it gives you ability to go and do that. So I put a capital I, right? And I have size 20, so you can make it larger if you want. And basically try to catch those reversals. Now, this one you see, this one is one of the ones that did fail. But NZDCHF for the history of NZDCHF, it's done really well. NZD pair, like NZD pair that's based on another like USD, JPY, whatever. They tend to do really well with the market structure stick. So now I've moved it down. I keep moving them down. Um, but that's what it is right now. So I'm going to give you the list of the ones that I have moved it to because they have the higher chances of winning very well. Um, and let's go to that now. Okay, here we have the market structure. Now, this category, each column is pip size. So 33 SL, 50 SL, and a 60 SL. Um, and it just says, no, did they win? Right? Yes. And the win has to be like, how do you say it? It has to be like 70, 80, and above. Some are really well, like 90, like one down here's 90%. One just kept winning, hasn't lost. Well, I haven't lost it, so it's just I just consistent winner. So I call it restricted market structure now because then I know which ones to avoid. Like I'm staying away from CAD JPY. There's one I'm staying away from. Was another one Euro CHF. No trade. Don't do that. Okay. Yeah, I've told you guys I'm giving you everything now instead of having to pay for the course. Um, well, the course is going to be. I mean, this is like the course is 24 hours of content. Like you get a lot. It's crazy, but if you still want to buy it, that's available. But um, not going to talk about that. I'm on TradingView. So, but anyway, but yeah, forget the course. Forget the course. But I'm giving you free content. Um, just follow along, and you're going to get a nice over the coming months. You're going to get more and more over the coming months and years. So just subscribe, follow, and make sure you give me that boost. That's all I ask, is to give me boosts and likes. That helps me out a lot. I appreciate it. That's what I'm doing this for. To get the boost and like. You know what I mean? I'm not charging content. Like, you know what I mean? It's free. It's free content. Free, free, free. So all I ask is just for a boost and for a like on YouTube. So anyway, so this one's been really well. I mean, all across the board. So you really want to play NZD a lot. This one's been nice. Euro GBP has been really nice. Stay away from the British pound pairs. They're not really consistent. It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. And any USD, not base pairs because it's a base pair, but the USD paired with any other currency, um, you want to stay away from that. And I'm going to eventually probably make this list longer, and maybe do some exotics. But for now, you have that. That's fine. And take a good screenshot of that. Let's head back over. So, yeah. So holding on to that until I hit the target. If I don't, I don't. Don't lose money. You know what I mean? Like, that's unrealized. Okay, unrealized profit. So, yeah. So I'm gonna be doing more of that, and I'll just share more of that um, as time goes on. More of the some of the market structure trades. I'm thinking about possibly doing the market structure, well, the restricted market structure trades. It's like a tongue twister somehow. Um, Doing that, I'm thinking going into the prop firms. I might do that for the prop firm. Go into the restricted market structure. If I don't go back to hedging for that, so 'cause I'm still a fan of that. Either or I might mix it up. I might mix it up. Yeah, I might mix it up. Why not? All right. So see you on the next one. Make sure you to subscribe, like, follow, boost, hit the like button wherever you're watching this, whether it's TradingView or YouTube, or whatever. Appreciate it. Hit the follow on Twitter and share it on X as well. And if you see this on Facebook, I don't always share it on Facebook, but anyway, peace.